Wow, do something great. Yeah, I like that. I'm doing something great. All right, guys, this is Osmosis FX. We're back, and this time around, I want to go into DXY top-down analysis. Okay, so let's move. This is DXY. Then, as always, I like starting from my 12 months. Let's see what we have. Wow, what do we have here? This is a break of structure. This is also a break of structure shell, but it's not really clear. So let's go down to six months so that we can see what we are. I'm always on market structure because I want to see the highs and lows that was broken. That will tell me what the market is actually doing. Is the market actually breaking high or breaking low? So what do we have there? We have break of high there. So I'm expecting this high to be broken also. So I start with this. So we have this across the board, please, across all boards, across all board. I think I'll just remove you guys and duplicate one and use this one. Okay. Here I have a EXNESS buy. So I can duplicate this here. And I can still also duplicate this here. So let me zoom in. Okay, and here. This is just one, but for the sake of those that might get confused about it, that's why I have to do two. So we have this also. Okay, so all eyes are negotiated now. So let's go down to number attempting so we can start marking out. This might not be the full chart though, but because I'm still operating on this free trading, I hope to pay for it. Year plan to next. So we broke this high, broke this side, broke this side. We are looking to break this side. So what are my interesting lows? My interesting lows are, this is my low. I would like to draw them out here. This is also my interesting low. So those lows are protected. So I like them to be reddish. What do we have? Across our board. Protected low. Protected low. Okay, so what do we have? We have this high at first, then we have this low, but this low was broken, so this low that was broken was a liquidity, so I have to liquidate it. Then this high refused to break this high, so this high is also a liquidity, which was later broken here. So I liquidate it also. So this low becomes my point of interest if I'm going to be buying, but market didn't come back to this low. So let me just hold it down. Okay, market didn't come back to this low. So market pulled up. What do we have? We have this high and this low, this low, this low. So this is the last low that was taken. So I think this is where this guy was divided into two. So let's go into that zone to see. This zone. Okay, so this was the main high. This high was broken and later broke this. So this should be X liquidity. This should be liquidity. This should also be liquidity. This should be still a liquidity because the high was taken. So this was still a liquidity. So this zone took out this high. So this should be a check. This should be a so I'm interested in this zone. Price came back to this zone. The price ran out. After the break of this, what happened? Saw this low broken. Saw this low broken. This low broken. This wasn't broken, so this becomes my interested area. So this is my next interested area for price to revisit. So we're currently breaking lows in the XY from the way I'm seeing things. That low is broken already. That low is broken, yeah. That low is broken. So here I broken, this BMS, and the major targets were broken. If you watch some of my video, you know what I mean by that major target, because this was my targeted high after all the liquidity here was taken, and the last liquidity that broke this high becomes our chop. Then price comes back to that zone to break the major high. So we are breaking lows, so we are selling off the XY apparently down to this month here. So what am I looking for on DXY? I'm looking to long DXY here. If DXY should long here, we should see a massive sell-off on maybe gold and other things. So let me protect this low and put it below my protected low. My target for DXY when price gets here is to break this high apparently, but this is the first major target. But we know we are breaking this high. Maybe a few pips above this high should be like 120. This is the industry number, so we should be looking at 120 here. DXY to get to 120,000. Is it 120? Yeah, 120. So, but for the meantime, we're at 725 or so. So this is the main target for now. Price hasn't come back to mitigate anything here. we have a lot of liquidity resting above here, so I could say everything here to this point is liquidity. The liquidity bridge. You can see how it forms a liquidity bridge. The liquidity bridge here. So this is a bridge, but we have no fair value gap because this guy broke the fair value gap. So we have no fair value gap. So if price comes here, good, but we still have fair value gap here. We still have fair value gap. Price will mitigate this and start moving. I think because of the fair value gap here, that's why price didn't come back here. Because this bad guy here was the one that scattered the plot. It's supposed to give us a fair value gap so that price can come back, but it broke the fair value gap and we didn't have anywhere to come back there. So I'm actually protected, yeah. So for the meantime, I'll be looking at an higher time frame of buying on gold, buying on G, buying on EU, AU, NU, pairs that comes against USD and buying. That's just for perceived here. This is junk of liquidity. Junk of liquidity. High was taken, this low was taken, this high was taken, this low was taken, this low was taken again before the major high was not taken. So all here is just a distraction of liquidity, but you can see profit on it on a lower time frame though. But now this is where we are. So in 3 months, I'm just going to go to 1 month and just see what do we have. I believe like here to hold the side. I would like to, yeah, I'd like to give it to who has it. Hold it to their own. Hold it to their own. Hold it to their own. I don't like rough chart. Yeah. So you can see we are breaking those. Hope is found in you. Oh my gosh. Hope is found in you. Okay, so I still have something clean here. So let's go down to weekly first, not daily. So everything is still intact. Visibility or visibility around, visibility around, visibility around. visibility all around. Visibility all around. Yeah. Visibility. Okay. So let's go down to daily. So this is where I'm looking to buy DXY. So DXY is seeing a free fall. No matter how, it's still going to free fall. Free fall. Really free fall. So this same thing is what I see in 45 minutes. Okay, I think I'm done with DXY. That's just my outline of DXY, so I'll just wait. Just wait for DXY to come down. It's going to take a lot of days though. So presently I'm still bearish on DXY no matter what. So I'm not seeing any bullish momentum. All this bullish momentum is just a reversal. So clears the high so that you can clear the low. So I think there'll be massive supply zone here. But this should be considered. Clears this high. So I love this to be changed to there. Now I love this doji to be a key reference for another time. Should be a key reference for another time. So it should be visible from daily downward. Should be visible from daily downward because this was the liquidity that you took out to sell off and break this. Okay. So I'm still expecting price to break below very well before coming back here, hopefully. So I'm still expecting something like this. But instead, let me bring it up from here. We have this, took out this, then I'm expecting reversal back here. Yeah. Okay. This should be visible from daily downward also. So that's the XY for now for me. Alright, see you guys in the next video.